Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how you can change your screen brightness on your Xiaomi Smart Band 7. Okay, as you can see now I am on the screen brightness changing function. You can see now it's dropped lower and higher. Okay, to get to that manual, first of all I go back to the home screen. First of all, you need to slide up one time and go all the way up until you can see the word setting. And now you will see the display and brightness. Select on it, and you can just select the brightness adjustment. And here we can make change your screen brightness to the lowest one and the highest one, and you can feel that now the screen is brighter than before. And if I set it to the lowest one, setting, display and brightness adjustment, okay, lowest, okay, you can see the text is very low light on the screen. Okay, and that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can change the screen brightness on your Xiaomi Mi Smart Band 7. And thanks for your time watching this short video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.